History of Airsoft Practical Shooters Alliance, APSA. The Airsoft Practical Shooters Alliance is an organization established to unite and expand the community of airsoft practical shooters in the Philippines. Its primary purpose is to serve as a national alliance comparable to other established alliances in different regions of the country, all sharing a common goal: the creation of a structured, disciplined, and professional airsoft practical shooting community. APSA was founded on August 25th, 2025 under the leadership of Philippine Coast Guard Auxiliary Commander Doc Israel Manalo in fulfillment of the vision of Alliance of Professional Handgunners, Team Alpha. President Nelson Lu, Doc Israel Manalo, was entrusted with leading the expansion of airsoft practical shooting not only throughout Luzon but across the entire Philippines. Team Alpha is a well-established organization of real steel shooters with a wide and strong community. APSA was founded upon the same mission and vision: to grow the shooting sports community and develop high-caliber shooters, particularly among super junior and junior shooters, who can competitively match international airsoft athletes from countries with strong airsoft practical shooting programs, such as Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Thailand. One of APSA's core objectives is to establish a healthy, well-organized, and non-toxic community, led by responsible team leaders who support one another and foster unity among all APSA-affiliated teams. The Alliance strongly upholds the values of discipline, sportsmanship, professionalism, and strict gun safety as the foundation of the organization. APSA was officially introduced to the public on November 30th, 2025, during an airsoft competition held at Golden Target Firing Range, hosted by the Golden Target Airsoft Practical Shooting Team. At that time, the Alliance consisted of 5 founding affiliated teams: Team Lordman, headed by Doc Israel Manalo, founder of APSA, together with co-founder Toto Palma; Golden Target Firing Range Airsoft Practical Shooting Team, headed by Froilan Parungaw; Caddy Daddy Airsoft Team, headed by Wilfredo Ido Pormeson; Angono Airsoft Practical Shooters, headed by Jose Albao Jr.; Team KKK, headed by Roger Gerardo. Subsequently, the Alliance continued to grow with the addition of the following teams: Team MTAC, headed by Emma Recalde; Team Cavite Practical Shooters League, headed by JP Lupig; Team Tarlac Airsoft Shooters Club, headed by Hernel Payabia; Team United Rinconada Airsoft Group, headed by Richard Cedo; and Team Laguna 6mm Shooters, headed by Benedict Pasco. At present, APSA is composed of 10 team leaders united by the same purpose: to advance the development of the airsoft sports community in the Philippines through discipline, professionalism, sportsmanship, and uncompromising adherence to gun safety. As a result of the collective efforts of this leadership, within just 3 months, APSA successfully launched its first and largest sporting event, the first APSA Cup Confirmation Classifier match, a 12 stages Level 3 PISMOC sanction match, held on March 1st, 2026 at Armscor Range. This milestone event marked the establishment of APSA as a legitimate, organized, and professional alliance in the field of airsoft practical shooting in the Philippines.
At magsama-sama, halika na mas masaya at walang problema. Alyansa, alyansa, alyansa. Grupo ng manunod lang at magsama-sama. Halika na, mas masaya at walang problema. Alyansa, alyansa, alyansa. Grupo ng manunudla na may angking husay, sa pagputok ay sabay-sabay, hindi mapaghihiwalay. Alyansa, alyansa, alyansa. Tayo nasa APSA, sumigaw ng sabay-sabay. Tayo nasa APSA, itaas ang kamay, iwagayway. Pumutok tayo ng sabay-sabay. Tayo nasa alyansa. Tayo ay magkaisa at magsama-sama. Halika na, mas masaya at walang problema. Alyansa, alyansa, alyansa. Grupo ng manunudla na may angking husay, sa pagputok ay sabay-sabay, hindi mapaghihiwalay. Alyansa, alyansa, alyansa. Tayo nasa APSA, sumigaw ng sabay-sabay. Tayo nasa APSA, itaas ang kamay, iwagayway. Pumutok tayo ng sabay-sabay. Tayo nasa alyansa. Tayo ay magkaisa at magsama-sama. Halika na, mas masaya at walang problema. Alyansa, alyansa, alyansa. Grupo ng manunudla na may angking husay, sa pagputok ay sabay-sabay, hindi mapaghihiwalay. Alyansa, alyansa, alyansa. Tayo nasa APSA, sumigaw ng sabay-sabay. Tayo nasa APSA, itaas ang kamay, iwagayway. Pumutok tayo ng sabay-sabay. Tayo nasa alyansa. at magsama-sama. Halika na, mas masaya at walang problema. Alyansa